Today I'm going to show you how to install this decal, and it's real simple. All you need is the decal and a credit card. Okay, so this is how the decal is going to come to you in the mail, and you're going to take the clear front off and make sure that everything sticks to it. Every so often you'll get these little pieces. You want to carefully just press down and they'll come up with the sticky clear side. Make sure that you're, gentle with it. Don't go too fast. Make sure all the vinyl comes up on the clear side, just like that. And the same thing with this clear piece. You want to be really careful with it when you put it onto the surface. Try to make sure that there are no bubbles, even though that's what this next part is for. You're going to take your credit card and press down. Work out any bubbles if you see them. And then you're going to do the same thing, but peel off this top clear part. Sticks really good, so you'll have to get under it. And slowly pull. I like to keep it as flat as possible. And there you go. So there you go. That's what it looks like on the finished piece of glass. This is the first Black Lives Matter decal that I made. It's one of our top sellers. I like it because it's got a design element to it, but it's still simplistic and it gets the message across. This decal comes in one size. It's 5.2 inches. And it comes in the colors shown behind me, in teal, hot pink, purple, red, white, light blue, black, and white. Thank you for watching the video.